We made it over to the mobile home and we're going to do some yard cleanup. We want to continue on getting this debris taken care of. It's dried out enough that we can burn it. So we have a fire pit back here. We're going to light that up. Go ahead and get this other debris thrown into it. And I'm going to start cleaning up some other piles around the property from when we had trees taken down. I'll show you those and we'll do some cleanup, some mowing, some clearing. It's going to be a good, productive day. So here's one of the main piles we want to get rid of. There's a lot of tree in here. It's just piled up tree. And then we're going to kind of tunnel through this area right here and clean up all this scrub or as much as we can. I really want to hit this side of the yard. And that's here, but if we keep swinging around, you're going to see over there we have another big pile of tree limbs and debris from the trees we had cleared around the home. I don't think we're worried about that side today. We're going to focus on this side unless we get extra time and we can do it. So let's get the fire started. I'm going to get the tractor started. We're going to get the chainsaw started and we're going to get this done. I don't know. Wasn't expecting that. I think I got most of it cut up in this pile here. What?
That piece of wood is cool.
This place is starting to look like a park. We did so much work today and it's fantastic. I love how this is coming out. It's amazing how much change a simple mowing with a tractor can do. Our yard is ever expanding here. Now we are going to keep select plants, and that's why I was mowing around certain things. These palmetto bushes, we're going to try to keep some of those because we like them, even if you guys don't. And some things that might be cool plants or trees, or we saved the blueberry bush back there.
Yeah, these palmetto bushes are just saw palmettos, and they don't get like huge palm trees.
Yeah, they're going to stay small around.
They're all over the place in Florida.
To me, it just looks like Florida. Why live in Florida if you don't want it to look like Florida?
Yeah.
So we're going to keep some of those. And we're going to bring the weed trimmer, get around stuff a little tighter, around the trees, around the plants we're keeping.
Pruners, loppers, chainsaw.
But you guys saw me plowing through it. It goes all back here. Wraps around that.
Yep.
And that big clump back there is just too overwhelming. We're going to have to bring
chainsaw.
Well, we have the chainsaw, but I'm going to have to get some bar oil in it, rennet oil. And yeah, just cut those down or try to pull them out. I hate leaving stumps in the ground, but we'll see what we can do. We are going to keep some of the big trees out of the bunch though. There are a couple of big ones in there, and I think we're going to try. I like keeping big trees. If it's decent looking, we'll see what we can keep and get rid of the rest. A lot of the trees out here, they're not super great, so if we can have some fresh ones growing, I think that's good. Now this is the other pile up close. It is probably like 3 or 4 times bigger than that other pile, the first pile. And it's overwhelming and gnarly. A lot of big wood in there, huge wood. And we're gonna wait and do that one later. But today was a good day for this because it's not too hot. It's decent today.
It cooled down a lot.
And
with the cloud cover, it's beautiful out now.
So we're gonna keep bouncing around. If it seems like a nice day to work outside, we'll work outside. If not, we're gonna be back inside the mobile home getting that done. So you guys saw last time we got the paint on the drywall. We're ready for the next step. I guess that's all we have for now. Thanks for coming along today as we cleared out our mobile home property. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.